Today, you will learn how to pronounce say AI correctly, the smart way to pronounce artificial intelligence. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we're focusing on the pronunciation of AI. This abbreviation stands for artificial intelligence and is a key term in modern technology. The correct pronunciation is simply the two letters, A as in day and I as in I. Let's say it together. AI, AI, AI. Now try it in a sentence. AI is transforming the way we live and work. Even though it's short, saying AI clearly makes your speech sound sharp and professional. This video is part of our tech vocabulary series, perfect for those in IT, business, or academia. Keep practicing until it sounds confident and natural. Like and subscribe to keep learning trending tech terms with us. You're doing a fantastic job. Now it's your turn to pronounce AI